September in Vietnam, where the air turns crisp, the landscapes glow gold, and every sunset feels like a painting. It's the perfect month to explore the heart of Vietnam, from serene cruises in Halong Bay to lantern-lit nights in Hoi An. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about Vietnam in September. The best weather, destinations and travel secrets, all with the expert touch of VietnamTour.in. In northern Vietnam, September marks the start of autumn. The air is cooler, the sky is clear, and the rice fields are golden and glowing. Temperatures range between 22 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, perfect for walking around old streets, cruising in Halong Bay, or trekking through the mountains of Sapa. In central Vietnam, it's still warm, around 26 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius, with short light rains that cool the air. This region stays sunny most days, so it's ideal for swimming, beach walks, and enjoying fewer crowds in the old towns. In southern Vietnam, the rainy season is slowly ending. You might see a quick afternoon shower, but the rest of the day is bright and humid with temperatures between 25 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. It's a great time to take river cruises, explore floating markets, or enjoy the greenery of the countryside. So, where should you go in Vietnam in September? Let's start from the north, where autumn makes everything calm and beautiful. In Hanoi, the weather is cool. The air smells of coffee, and the streets glow with golden leaves. Just a few hours away, Ninh Binh shines with golden rice fields. Take a peaceful boat ride through limestone valleys. And in Halong Bay, a sunset cruise among emerald waters is simply magical. Heading to central Vietnam, Da Nang welcomes you with warm beaches and ocean breeze, while Hoi An glows every night with colorful lanterns, a perfect mix of charm and peace. Down in the south, Ho Chi Minh City is full of life, with street food, night markets, and endless energy. Nearby, the Mekong Delta offers quiet river cruises and floating markets, while Phu Quoc Island is perfect for beach lovers chasing sunsets. From cool northern hills to sunny southern shores, Vietnam in September is beautiful in every way. September is also the time of Vietnam's Mid-Autumn Festival, one of the most joyful celebrations of the year. Streets light up with colorful lanterns, families share mooncakes, and children parade happily under the full moon. For Indian travelers, it's the perfect time to experience Vietnam's warm traditions, join local festivities, and capture some truly magical photos. Here are a few travel tips if you're visiting Vietnam in September. The weather can change quickly, so it's smart to carry a light raincoat or a small umbrella. Make sure to try some local seasonal favorites: a warm bowl of pho, a cup of creamy egg coffee, or a bite of sweet ban com. Bring a bit of cash for small shops and local markets, as not all places accept cards. And most importantly, September is one of the most photogenic months in Vietnam. So keep your camera ready, because every corner feels like a postcard. Need help planning your trip? Here's a simple 7-day itinerary to enjoy Vietnam in September. Day 1 to 2. Explore Hanoi, walk around the old quarter, try local food, and take a day trip to Ninh Binh, the Halong Bay on land. Day 3 to 4. Cruise through Halong Bay, relax on the deck, and enjoy stunning sunsets over the limestone mountains. Day 5 to 7. Fly to Da Nang for beautiful beaches, then spend your evenings in Hoi An, glowing with lanterns and charm. It's the perfect mix of culture, nature, and relaxation, all in one unforgettable week. Whether you're dreaming of peaceful beaches, charming cities, or misty mountain views, Vietnam in September has it all. The weather is cool, the landscapes glow in gold, and every smile feels warmer than the last. So don't just imagine it. Come and experience it with VietnamTour.in. From tours and hotels to visa support and Indian meals, we make your Vietnam journey smooth, memorable, and truly special. Plan your trip today with vietnamtour.in and let Vietnam welcome you with open arms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your travel month below.